Hey everyone, let's talk about two major network architectures, client-server and peer-to-peer. Which one's better? Stick around to find out. All right, first up, client-server architecture. Imagine a busy coffee shop. The server is like the barista taking orders and preparing drinks, while the clients are the customers placing their orders. In this setup, clients, your devices, request services like data or files, and the server, a central machine, delivers what they need. This model is highly centralized. It's super efficient for large systems, but there's a big downside. If the server goes down, the whole system stops. Imagine a coffee shop with no barista. Chaos, right? Now let's look at peer-to-peer or P2P. Think of a group of friends sharing music directly. Each person or device acts as both a client and a server, sending and receiving data equally. There's no central authority here, making P2P decentralized and more resilient. If one person leaves the group, the others can still share files. It's like a jam session where everyone takes turns playing, so which one's better? It depends. If you need a highly controlled, secure environment, client-server is your go-to. It's great for things like corporate networks or websites. But if you want flexibility and resilience, P2P is the way to go. Think file sharing, blockchain, or even some gaming platforms. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really boils down to what you need. Have a preference? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.